During the 19th century, the typhoid outbreak happened, and the cause of it was eating oysters from polluted water. Typhoid spread super quickly, and it killed thousands of people.
There were 1,500 cases of typhoid reported. Typhoid took place all over the world. Unfortunately, typhoid still occurs in parts of the world today.
There were many symptoms of typhoid, and some of them were dry coughs, muscle aches, rashes, and fever that starts slow and increases daily.
Now, the causative agent is salmonella, but it's not the same salmonella you hear us talking about all the time when we say there's a salmonella outbreak from eggs or spinach. That's a salmonella that when you catch that or get that, you're going to have potentially nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, fevers. This is a particularly virulent type of salmonella called Salmonella typhi.
The water is still polluted today, and this is because of combined sewage overflows. All the dirty water on the streets when it rains and all the other rainwater goes into the sewers and makes the water polluted.
People that get typhoid start out with a bad fever, and there's chills associated. It kind of feels like, I think, a really bad cold. I think one of the issues in the past is that there are very few people can be asymptomatic, which means they can actually carry the typhoid disease without showing symptoms themselves. There's a really famous case in New York City history about a woman whose nickname now is Typhoid Mary, and she was a cook in a lot of different kitchens in New York City in I think it was the 1920s, and she actually was asymptomatic.
Mary Malone was an immigrant from Ireland and became a chef for wealthy families around New York. After a few weeks, there would be a typhoid breakout in the home, and Mary would leave the premises before authorities showed up. Mary had been with 8 families serving as a chef before the government traced the typhoid breakouts to her. When they informed her that she was a typhoid carrier, she completely overreacted and threatened to stab the carrier of the message with a kitchen knife. So why was she such a big deal? We have our answers from the fact that she was the first documented healthy carrier of typhoid and infected 51 people.
As a result of all the pollution in the river, we are susceptible to other types of health risks. In order to prevent this, we need to take action.
Typhoid still occurs around the world, and to stop typhoid, we have to stop pollution. So our mission is to raise money to contribute to the Million Oyster Project so we can stop typhoid for good.
There were 1,500
Typhoid was eating oysters from the polluted water.
Layla! You just burped. You ruined